Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a checkbox to your Docusign document. This is particularly useful when you need recipients to acknowledge terms, confirm they've read certain sections, or simply tick off items on a form. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to docusign.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log in using your credentials. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your Docusign dashboard, where you can manage all your documents and agreements. Next, look at the top toolbar and click on Agreement. This is where you'll find all the tools related to creating and sending documents for signature. Once you're in the Agreement section, direct your attention to the upper left panel and click on Start Now. This initiates the process of creating a new document that you'll be sending out for signatures or acknowledgements. Now you'll see options for how you want to add your document. Click on Upload, then select Desktop from the menu that appears. This allows you to choose a file that's already saved on your computer. Navigate to the location where your document is stored. Select the file you want to upload and click Open. The document will begin uploading to Docusign, so give it a moment to process. Once your document is uploaded, you'll need to specify who will receive it. Enter the recipient's name in the text field provided. Then just below that, enter their email address. This ensures that the document reaches the right person and that they can access it securely. After entering the recipient details, you'll see fields for subject and message. Fill these in to provide context about what the document is and what action you need from the recipient. This helps them understand the purpose of the document before they even open it. When you're satisfied with all the information, click Next in the bottom right corner. This will take you to the editing interface where you can add various fields and interactive elements to your document. In the left sidebar, you'll see several options for different field types. Click on Checkbox, then drag it onto your document. You can place the checkbox wherever you need it on the page, whether that's next to specific terms, at the end of a section, or anywhere else that makes sense for your document. If you need multiple checkboxes, simply repeat this process. You can add as many checkboxes as your document requires, giving recipients the ability to acknowledge multiple items or sections. Once you've positioned all your checkboxes exactly where you want them, click Send in the bottom right corner. This finalizes your document and sends it to the recipient you specified earlier. They'll receive an email notification with a link to access and complete the document. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.